Hey guys, we are at home. It's Sammy Family 254 guys. We are home with baby. Baby, say hi. I'm carrying my baby here. So guys, I want to take you through our home, guys. It's very green. The rain is raining here, let me tell you, but it's not too much. Imepotea kidogo. So guys, I'm just strolling in our compound. Naizangalia ka fence. We have trees all over. Yes, my father really likes to plant trees. So ndio hii natembea. As you can see, kuna makuku hapa na pale. Hizi ni za mom. So like hizi kuku haziwezi tokanga. Our compound is just enclosed. Haziwezi changanyika na hizo zingine. The sun is really shining, guys. Let me show you up the sky. Yes, it's really shining out here. Let me show you our compound. Ndio hizi flower. Ndio tuteremke the other side of the house. Yes, guys, there are some HD lights our father installed. Hapa guys, ilikonga store ya dogi. So, the dog died. We just decided ikuwe tu store. I don't know wakuna plan gani. Here is not my home. Hapa, we have some firewood. We do use to cook. But hizi, bro, hizi zilikuwa za nini? Hizi za hapa. Oh, he's really speaking mother tongue. He likes speaking in mother tongue. But I think, guys, these ones, zilitolewa mahali zilibomolewa. So I think they're here. They'll be used later or maybe. Then here, it's a small garden ya mom. Naona hapa kamepanda mrenda. As you can see, ikona mrenda na some nini. Hii leaves, you guys, you know, hii ya kupika chai. Hii yenye huwa inanukia vizuri. Yes, the green leaves. Yes, the natural one. Yes, guys, we go through. You can see a mango plant. Our mango plant. Oh, sikuwa nimeona hii. Inatoa mango. Guys, let me zoom for you. This is the plant yenye imekaa hapa kwetu. Huwa igrow. Hata nimeshangaa. Kuna zingine? Oh, naambiwa kuna zingine. But first for me, nimeona moja. Oh, there is another one. Kule juu, guys. I don't know if you'll see. But let me zoom this one here. You can see. Guys, you can like the video, comment, subscribe. Yes. Alafu hii light mlivunja. I don't know vile wanajifanya hapa. So guys, ndio hiyo mango yetu nataka kutoa fruits. Hapo kuna ka orange plant. You can see, guys. Nimebeba mtoi, msijali. Alafu hapa tuko na gate. Then as you walk through, guys, I think you can see the environment is very cool. Actually, we have a lot of flowers here, trees. Yes, guys. Here is our latrine. Actually, tuko na mbili. Kuna hii ya juu na kuna ile gate ingine, the other one on the other gate. Ukiitoa na zenye ziko kwa nyumba. Yes, so let me take you. Unaona hile ka nyumba hile, halafu kuna kakingine pale. Yes, hizo ni chores. Yes, guys, let me just go through with you. If you're around, you can come and say hi to me. Let me show you my legs. You're here basking, but I'm not showing you what I'm wearing. I'm looking like an orphan. Guys, mnajua. So guys, here is our beautiful home. Let me show you the trees. Guys, it's very nice. Huyu anajifunika na ka towel na anacheza. Haya guys, this is the house. My daddy did a very good job. I really like this. I don't know, but that's how it looks. The other one, pale kuna katank flani huko nyuma. Then we have another one nyuma ya nyumba huko kwa fence. We have two. Yes. Hapa ni penye tunaosha mikono. We do wash our hands here kama tunataka kukula, or maybe your hands are dirty and just you want to rest. Kama your hands are clean, yes, you just come and wash it here. This one was improvised by my loving daddy. Yes, guys. Ni alitengeneza hii. Then, guys, let me show you the flowers. Hey, babangu na mama huwa. Babangu na mti. Hey! Kama unataka kumkosea, hebu jaribu kuvunja hizi miti zake. Guys, utakuwa umemmaliza. So, guys, that's how it looks. Kuna ingine ile side ingine. It's big. We thank God. Yes. Let me take you through now to our garden. Hapa ka garden, mama aliamua kupanda ndizi. So we have some banana plantations over here. Hey, actually the last time nilikuwa natoka home, hizi banana plants zilikuwa kidogo sana, like hazikuwa zimekuwa. But now tell me I'm coming back. Even our guava, wewe ime grow. Actually guys, it was very very small. Haikuwa imemea hivi. Tell me it's 1 year since I came here. And I don't know when I'll be back, guys. Oh, this was just a miracle. They insisted I have to come. Now let me show you. Sasa mnaona guys vile hapa kunaka. Yes, there are some plants. Hizi ni mama hua. I think this one is a whole tree. Hii ikigrow inakaa fiti sana. It usually grows very tall. Ifike huko kwa paa. Yes, and it's shaped. So sasa ikiwa shaped, ndio unaona its beauty. Yes, the other one is also here. We have the red flower. This is just a flower to add the decoration to the home. Yes, like we have. Let me now show you our banana plantation over here, guys. Tell me how it looks. Comment down below. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yes, guys. How does it look? Ooh, but actually, Soiletu ya huku doesn't always support banana planting. I don't know how this one grew up so well here. I don't know. We are just in lower. The other ones in upper, the one who favors growing banana. I think hapa kuna vile ni baridi ndio kwa maana ina favor. Yes guys, let me now show you the other toilet. Ai, siku hizi zimechapa. Hizi hata wanatumia kweli. I think they use. Sometimes you have visitors, they can always use this. I think wengine wanatumia ndani ya nyumba, and then there is a small gate here ndio upite. Let me show you the fence. Hizi vitu zinaitwa aje guys? I don't know. Suggest for me the names. The thorny ones. Yes, ziko na mathorns. Let me zoom. Yes, ndio hizo ziko na thorns zingine. Yes, so that's the fence. Trees all over. Our mango here. And we have the guava plant. Pia huwa inatoa. Ni vile this time bado haijatoa. But imegrow sana. So guys, that's it. I will also show you guys, by the way, what I said nikikuja nyumbani I have to make omena. Hi guys, I've really craved for that fresh omena from the lake, and why not? My sister I just made sure my sister got to the market and get some for me. So guys, I'll prepare it with you and we eat together. Yeah, that's it. Unataka kuona mamatoto zao? Hango siwaonyeshi. So that's it guys. Like the video, subscribe, comment down below. What do you think? Dada alihanga kageti fulani huku. Let me show you. Hizi ni mapipa, mvua zikinyesha at least you can get the rainy water. Those zinachanga kwa tank, but at least you can add some. We have a borehole. There is a veranda here. There is a gate there. So kama unataka kuenta, I think you can always just open here. Ama you can rest over here. We have another tank over there. Alafu kule mwisho pia we have a smaller tank. We can always use it to collect water, guys. Yes, guys. Hope this video finds you well. You like it. You'll watch it till the end. Yes, guys. Jiko. In the meantime, let me go and fetch water for cooking. Let me show you how I rock. You're here. I'm going to use these. Yes. To the top. Let me fetch water. They are laughing at me now. This is our tap. Let me fetch. Jiko inawaka. Then we put our omena. I'll show you the omena. Our tap, the tank, the windows, the fence, the sun, the fingers. Yes. I'm with the better. I've changed. I think this one is just enough for a start. Yeah. Guys, I've started the omena. Ndio hii hapa imekauka. and I want to make it with the cabbages. Yes, then over here I have dirty utensils. Juu sistangu ameniona nimerudi nyumbani, mimi ni mfanyakazi. I'll wash them. Ndio hizi hapa. So guys, I want to wash the dishes after nikishaika food. Yes. Hey guys. I had some dirty clothes over here, as you can see, and I want to wash them. Most needs a baby. Yes, so let me fetch water here. I'm fetching water for washing the clothes. Yes guys, angalieni makuku vile tuko na wengi. Yes, yes. Other people have there, my sister. Yeah. I'm wash. Yeah, I want to wash. Niko na kazi mingi. Huku wameniweka mfanyikazi. After washing ndio nioshe vyombo. Meanwhile, our omena is cooking. Yes. Guys, I want to rinse my clothes, then hang them. Of course, I've already washed them. Leo na shoot peke yangu. Oh, you'll see my hand most of the time, but you won't see my face. I'm shooting myself, and it's quite hectic. So I'm done. I just want to go and hang them. Yes, I want to rinse them and hang them. Yes, then we go to the next chapter. Like the video, share, and comment, guys. Hey guys, I'm done washing. Our next destination is the wireline. Oh guys, nitabeba haje hizi. Wah! Ni kazito. So to the wireline, guys. We are headed to the wireline. Nasikia vile makuku wanalia. So guys, to the wireline, I'm just going to hang our clothes. Jua imetokelezea. I think by June zitakuwa zimekauka. Acha niwaonyeshe wireline. Ni mingi. You can see they are about 6. Yes, guys. So let me hang them. We meet in the next chapter, guys. Guys, I'm done hanging the clothes. Hey, so let me go wash the dishes and maybe sijui sistangu atamaliza kupika. Yes, guys, but I'll just show you what I have to show you. And my phone is really shutting down. Let me just go and recharge it a bit, guys. Comment. So guys, I'm in the farm. Dada amenena tu nikikuja huko kaniambia, sasa tunini ukule. Kata sugar cane. Naitwa azemia. Na hapa kuna nini? Ndio wao mnakata hivi chini. Na hapa.
Na chini.
Hapa imetoka kabla sijapata. Mwanamke bomba. Hata ndio imetoka kabla hata nikate. Ni kama ilikuwa wiki na hapo chini. So guys, this is our sugar cane, our small farm. Wanaona hizi ndizi. Nitaenda toa, ni kazito. Guys, nitaifuta na huko. Hata. Hey guys, back to our video. Oh guys, I'm sorry, my phone went off, so I didn't record how we ate lunch, but it was good, it was okay. I didn't just record because I was charging my phone, guys. So guys, ndio huyu hapa, my sister is washing the utensils. Acha nikamzoom. Na hao kuku wao wanasumbua hivi taba. Mbona wanasumbua? Guys, you have a lot of hens and chickens. Ama ni aje? They do spend. Wakiona tu mtu ametoa hivi vyombo na wao wako hapo. Ndio hawa, but they are good, they are okay, they are very healthy. At least pia wanatusaidia when it comes to food. Yeah. So, guys, let me show you. Hii ni kisima yetu. It was made in such a way. Sijui inakaje. Siku hizo mnachota maji hapa kweli? Amchoti juu kunanyesha. Oh guys, they're not fetching it, but they do kama kuna mvua. That is kama kuna maji kwa tanks. Tunaweza saidiana hapa. Some people also do come, wana fetch hapo. Ndio hiyo guys. Then there kuna hiyo ka gate ingine ndogo yenye watu wanatoka, now the other side can pass by, at least sasa wasizunguke our main gate. Alafu ndio hiyo our gorofa, there is another gorofa here. Another gorofa is here looking nice. Alafu kuna hii ka flower. I'm here with baby. Baby is enjoying the breeze. Actually, my baby is enjoying home. Yes, he's really enjoying the vibes. Sasa Taba, salimia watu wangu.
Hey guys.
Huyu kana blush. Waambie wa subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, my sister said you subscribe to my channel, guys, and so you should do so. You should rush there, subscribe, share, watch, like, and comment. Do anything which is needed to be done, guys. So guys, actually inaelekea 5. Acha niangalie time. It's 6 nini? 6. Ni saa ngapi? 86. 6 imefika kweli? Hapana, ni saa 10:44. It's almost 5. Eti ndio tunaosha vyombo. Actually, we ate late. We were here just storing and we didn't just consider cooking early. So tulikula late. After that, we rested a bit. Unaona? After hile kukula, lazima chakula iteremke kidogo and so on and so forth. So ndio tunaosha vyombo. Ila ndio nataka kwenda kwa soko. Sasa ndio huyu anataka kwenda kwa soko. Actually, leo ni Saturday. Ndio market day yetu. So she just have to go there and buy some 2, 3. Sasa Hilda, ile nyumba inakaa aje? Hii ni nini sasa? Hii ni nini mlieka hapa? Hii si ilikuwa ile nyumba ya dogi? Ule dogi alikufa. Lakini sasa mbona iko hapa? Guys, what do you think? They should remove this thing here, right? I don't like it here. But being that this is not my homestead, I don't have to command on what they should do. Wacha niwaonyeshe Bazu. Bazu is over there. Sijui kama mnamuona. The chair. Ndio ule anapumzika kwa the shade. Ile guava nilionyesha ile time. Bazu hako hapo is resting. Yes, he's just done with his duties. Now he's just resting. Hebu nguo zangu zenye niliosha. Actually, I can't zoom. Mkono yangu moja imebeba mtoi, guys. But I think you can see. I think you can see. Manguo zangu zimekauka. Yes, like that. Back to nini? Hilda, na hizi ni masufuria zote? Kwani nyinyi ndio mnapikanga nini hapa? Guys, my mother has a lot of sufurias. Hata sijui kama hizi zilitumika zote. Jumi, as far as I can remember, tulipika vyakula vingapi? 6. Silikuwa samaki, mboga na ugali. And actually ugali iko na karai yake tu separate. Omena plus the kuku, I don't know. But guys, that's how it is. Sijui nini imebaki kama sijawaambia. We have the cat. Cat ndio yule ako kwa gorofa. Ndio yule, the cat is there. Yes, huyu. Huyu alizaliwa. Na mama yake ako wapi? Mama yake ndio huyu, guys. Anakula na kuku. Oh, and my sister is tall. Huyu hata atanipita. Woi. And she's the youngest. Now, if you look at us, she's now the eldest, guys. I don't know. Watoto wa siku hizi ni hivyo tu. Sasa ndio yule paka. Hata sikaoni. Amefunikwa na kuku. Ndio huyu paka wanakula. Yes, guys. I don't think if there is anything I've not shown you. Ni nini sijawaonyesha, guys? Ni nini sijawaonyesha? Let me show you my aunts. Baby's aunts ndio hizi. Kamenona. Let me show you his feet, baby's feet. Yes, guys. So, guys, I think that's the end of our vlog. Kindly enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye, guys. Until next time, we are just out.